Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find all the files in a singular Claude chat. So let's get started. I have Claude open up here and you're going to want to find any conversation. Maybe you have a particular conversation that's pretty long and you've generated a lot of artifacts and have uploaded a lot of files. So I'm going to go to my chats window over here and I'm going to choose, let's say this one. So manually scrolling through the chat can take a while, especially if the conversation has been going for a long time. As you can see here, I have plenty of documents that I've generated, as well as I've also uploaded maybe one or two of my own. So if you want to find all your files in one neat place, there's a button that not many people notice, and that's in the top right of your screen. If there are any files that are generated by Claude or any files that you have uploaded, they should show up here. It's right beside the share button at the top right of your screen. So if you go ahead and click on that, as you can see, everything is here. The artifacts that Claude has downloaded, as well as the content that I have uploaded. If you look through your other chats, you should also be able to see that not every chat has this button. And that's because maybe for this particular chat, there are no documents or files involved. So that's just a really quick and easy way to double check whether you have anything uploaded. And it's just a good thing to know, especially if you're working with a lot of files and need to download a lot of them at the same time. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.